Hello, this is Brian Rezny, president of Rezny Wealth Management. It's question and answer day. And we've had a few questions come over about Truthsocial stock and the IPO, initial public offering of Trump's media stock empire, let's call it. And should people invest in this? Is this a good investment long term? I'll say absolutely not. I would not invest in the stock, and not that I don't support the president or the past president. The stock itself is going to have limited opportunity, in my opinion, for real upside. Remember, earnings drive stock price. If earnings are there, which this company really has to prove itself in basically being able to sell advertising. If you can't sell advertising, and a lot of it that increases over time, you're not making money. That means the stock price really can't go up. I think if the stock price has gone up at all in the last week or two, it's simply because it went public, and there's going to be a handful of people that will gravitate to the stock. I think it's going to have a short shelf life, and I think realistically you have this base of people that are going to be tied to Trump at any cost, and they'll basically be on the site. I personally tried out this site about a year and a half ago when it came out. And really, it was kind of the same regurgitated information over and over and over again. So it's not really a media site as much as it is really about, Donald Trump and really almost re-election type scenario. So it's something for me. I spend my time doing a lot of research, educating and bettering myself, not only health but financial and those types of areas. Where most of these media sites, whether it's Facebook or any of the others, what are you really doing other than sharing your family dinner pictures, and how much time are you really spending doing that? So Truthsocial is not a stock that I would personally purchase. I don't think it's going to have any real long-term opportunity. But again, it's a good place for Donald Trump to basically get his message out, and the people that are on that site to listen to the message and basically react accordingly as they feel fit. As I've always discussed, and especially vitally important for you, the investor, every investment that you purchase in your portfolio needs to be highly researched. There has to be a catalyst. And we talk about relative strength investing, which is a big approach that my firm utilizes when we manage portfolios. Relative strength is relative strength on performance of sectors or asset class. And what drives that often is relative strength on earnings growth. Without earnings growth, a stock price realistically cannot go up or go up much. So people have asked me, again, why did, let's say, technology last year do so well? Because it's grown earnings more than double the average company in the S&P. What does that mean? It has relative strength on earnings. We do a lot of work on this when we build portfolios and manage money. If your money's not being managed properly and you're tired of lackluster returns, lackluster client service and communication, and you have at least $1 million portfolio, it's time you called my firm, came on board, and had your money managed properly in your legal best interest. Go to ReznyWealth.com and have yourself a safe and profitable day.